Hello everyone, and thanks for joining School of the American Rifle. We are going to begin a multi-part series on this AR-15 we have on the table. This particular example is a Colt / Armalite 601. This is a 60-plus-year-old parts kit. There are some bad items in this parts kit. This gun has seen some hard use. So what this multi-part series is going to do is we're going to do an overview of what we have here, what it is, how I acquired it, what was in the original kit, what I had to piece together, and things we're going to have to replace to be compliant. Of course, this original gun was a machine gun, so we don't have the original receiver. We have a Brownell's retro lower receiver. But we're going to do an overview video for part one. This, of course, is a teaser. We're going to do a cleaning and restoration, how we got it to this point. Believe it or not, it was in much worse shape. I do not have any videos of the actual restoration process, but I will show what we did to get it to this point. Then we're going to do a physical / autopsy of all the components that we have. And we're going to be using some original U.S. government issue gauges along with our School of the American Rifle gauges. So a little bit different than some of our physicals and our autopsy videos because we're going to use some original gauges. I thought that this old gal deserved having the original tools and gauges used to bring it back to life. Then what we're going to do is a video on distressing this lower receiver to make it match all these distressed parts. Then we're going to do an assembly video. And then finally we'll do a testing video. So we'll do some test firing in the trap. And hopefully if we can find some time in this really cold weather, we'll do a live test firing at the range to see what she does on paper. So stay tuned. And we'll have these videos coming soon.